Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for business growth and legal transformations. Are you a proprietor looking to take your business to the next level? Converting your proprietorship into a private limited company could be the perfect way to unlock new growth opportunities, enhance your credibility, and protect your personal assets. Let's explore why this conversion makes sense for your business and how Filings Corner can help you make the transition smoothly and efficiently. What is a private limited company? A private limited company is a business entity with a separate legal existence from its owners. This means that shareholders are protected from unlimited liability, safeguarding your personal assets from business debts. It requires at least 2 directors and 2 shareholders, providing a more structured and legally recognized framework than a sole proprietorship. The best part? A private limited company opens doors to better financial and legal structures, making it a perfect choice for businesses aiming to expand. Why convert from proprietorship to private limited company? Why should you consider converting your proprietorship into a private limited company? Here's why. Limited liability protection. Business debts won't affect your personal assets. Higher credibility and market reputation. Build more trust with customers, investors, and banks. Easier fundraising and loans. Attract investments from banks, venture capitalists, and investors. Perpetual succession. Your business can continue even if the ownership changes. Tax efficiency. Corporate tax advantages and better deductions compared to proprietorship taxation. Structured corporate governance, managed by a board of directors, offering better oversight. Documents required for conversion. To convert your proprietorship into a private limited company, we'll need a few essential documents. Identity and address proof of directors and shareholders, PAN, Otter, passport, or voter ID. Business proof, GST certificate, MSME registration, or existing trade license. Financial documents, tax returns, profit and loss statement, and balance sheet. Company name approval from MCA will ensure a unique name for your new company. Registered office address proof, rental agreement and utility bill for your business premises. Digital signature certificate, DSC, and Director Identification Number, DIN, required for company registration. Memorandum and Articles of Association, MOA and AOA. These define your company's objectives and governance structure. Step-by-step process of conversion. Here's the step-by-step process we'll follow to convert your proprietorship into a private limited company. 1. Obtain DSC and DIN. 2. Company name reservation. 3. Draft MOA and AOA. 4. File for company incorporation. 5. Receive certificate of incorporation. 6. Transfer business assets and liabilities. 7. Update bank, tax, and GST records. 8. Inform clients and suppliers. Compliances after conversion. Once your private limited company is set up, there are a few ongoing compliance requirements. Annual financial statements and tax filings. Board meetings and AGM. Statutory audits. Updated tax and GST compliance. How Filings Corner helps? At Filings Corner, we provide end-to-end support for your proprietorship to private limited company conversion. Legal consultation and documentation. Customized MOA and AOA drafting. Quick company registration. Post-incorporation support. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get expert assistance. Filings Corner, simplifying business transitions and unlocking growth. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights and business tips.